I was just sent this 6-tier closet organizer. This is different than most organizers that you see because of these little things. We'll get to what that is soon. First, we will go over our little tiered organizer. So this is 43.3 inches long, and you've got it 12 by 13 as your dimensions in here. And we'll go up and we'll hang this in my closet so we can get a full look at it. But it has 6 different shelves to be able to put on here. You've got some nice mesh pockets on the sides. So you've got 4 separate pockets on the sides. So you can put things real easily on here. But this is what makes this really unique and fun, is there actually drawers that come with this. And they've got a little visible entry on the front here that you put your little bottom in here to make sure that stabilizes it. And now you have a little drawer with a little handle to pull out so you can put socks and undergarments, things like that in these drawers. So that way they're not falling out like they would in a normal cabinet here. You'll actually have a drawer to be able to store everything in. So you have 2 smaller size drawers and then 1 larger size drawer that you could put clothes in. So let's get this in my closet and we will check out how it works. So here we are in my closet. I'm gonna go ahead and hang this up. One really nice feature is you need no tools. This just has this Velcro latch on here and it feels like a very heavy duty latch. So all you've got to do is just get this where you want to have it. The opening's on the right side and Velcro it across. And now you've got your little hanging closet that will hold all of your different things. So then you can add your drawers in wherever you want those drawers to be. And then on the sides, because you have these nice 4 mesh pockets, you can easily store things over there to be able to quickly get to them and not use all your drawer space up. I do like how each of these drawers have this little pull thing right here and how it's meshed. So you can see in there and actually see what you've stored in there in case you did forget. This is a really nice space saving design that you can put all sorts of different things in.